where the sun never sets, where the rains of the land are strong and crystal clear. Under the spell of darkness, the roots of the land grow deep, and the sight of the eagle soaring on the wind. Eternal nation, forevermore. The proud creation, what we're fighting for. When you're riding in the sky so high, immortal, wild and free, cast your eyes to the far and near over oceans never seen. When you're riding in the sky so high, the glory will be done, and your hearts are open wide in the land of the midnight sun. Whispering sound of the mountains, the howling of the seas. If you listen very closely, you will hear. Stand by the zone of the shadows, in a kingdom cold and white, where the homes of the gods are